na your matter we dey carry for head like gele, na your struggle we dey fight like Mike Tyson. Stay tuned for Our People, because for here your struggle no go waste. Our People, voice for the ordinary Nigerian.
Make we talk through today. How many hospitals for Nigeria fit truly handle emergency? Not be building or not be fine name. Now real emergency we dey talk about so. Welcome to Our People today, my people. For our last episode, we talk about how money dey stand between people and emergency care for Nigeria today. Today we go deeper small, because even when money dey, equipment not dey. You understand? So, like the last one we talk about and all the issues wey happen from that time, I thought I know the woman and the things wey happen. So, but this one not be theory again. This na the reality of the things we're supposed to talk about. But for this question, our hospital go call their self hospital, but they not get basic life-saving equipment, oxygen not dey, defibrillator not dey. You get some years ago, one man get heart attack for Aja axis. Then they rush and go different hospitals when they're around Aja. They get big buildings, big names. But what's not, they not even get defibrillator, they not get oxygen. That defibrillator and the machine is supposed to shock the heart back to life. It's not there at all. So what's the meaning of hospital if emergency not come? If emergency come and they not feel respond, what's the meaning of hospital at the end of the day? You understand? Let's break them down. Many hospitals not get oxygen. They not get functional ventilator. They not get ICU setup. Defibrillator is not there. Incubators not there. And the painful part, sometimes they get them, but it don't spoil because lack of maintenance or who they never get will operate them well. But they hear cases of hospital will get equipment full ground, but they not they work. So you will still say help day, but help not really day. You understand? Why this thing they happen? First of all, I think no proper inspection they happen, no maintenance culture, no accountability. And make we talk truth. Some regulators they compromise. Some people they collect. They will just collect money, close eye, and renew license. Because I never even see people they close it because they not get equipment or because they fail accreditation. I never see them. So make we ask, what exactly be the criteria to run hospital for Nigeria? Because if they be like say as far as you get building and signboard, you don't become hospital with that all. Oxygen and ventilator crisis na major thing for Nigeria. Now oxygen you don't turn gold. Ventilator na even by connection you go see fit get ventilator. How person go survive emergency for that kind of system? These are the issues we dey talk about. So when people go talk say our life expectancy dey low, we go dey argue with them. People dey die young for Nigeria. Avoidable deaths, not be God take them, na the system. Because the system not ready. These are the issues we dey get. So if we look am well, make we talk to government. We dey build roads there everywhere, and they build bridges. E good, but make we ask, of what use be this road if person not survive reach destination? Imagine we gas net for road. A healthy nation and prosperous nation. If people not there alive and well, nothing else go fit matter. I understand some that they do road because road people go see those so that they perform. But hospital not good. I make we not deceive ourselves. So some people they believe so if they get money, so if anything happen, they go travel abroad or they go expensive private hospital. The emergency not they announce itself. That's the truth. Even billionaire, they must first stabilize you for the nearest hospital where anything happen to you before they go carry you to go another place. So this problem is everybody's problem. No matter how much you get, they must stabilize you. If na village happen, and then they go stabilize you. Recently, we hear about say over 200 billion was allocated for capital project, but only 36 million they released for federal level. So make we ask, what think be our priority for this country? What think be our priority if we not fit do that one? My people, I think enough done dey enough for. And if you don't experience this kind of thing, not keep quiet. Not just say God will help us. Yes, God get power, but we self will get responsibility as Nigerians. So reach out to us, send us your experience, make we gather these cases, make we escalate them. Because if we not escalate this, if we not talk about them, nobody will do anything. No. Because make we remind everybody, I see they talk them, not refuse emergency treatment because na crime. Now your right to emergency treatment in Nigeria today, if they refuse you, na crime. So make we end them like this. Hospital not be decoration, not be building. Hospital na life-saving center. If equipment not there, if the system not there, if accountability not there, then we dey live on borrowed time. Life first to money later. Equipment must there, system must work. This na our people, and we not go keep quiet.